Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 90 Acura NSX, and someone in my group or in the comment section is asking to uh, they asked me to unbox this particular car, so I said I will do. So I'm just doing it. So as usual, I bought this for the MRP, which is 179, which is atrocious by the way. And these cars are not really worth 179, maybe 90 rupees, I agree, or 80 rupees, I agree, but not more than 100 rupees, especially the given that the current quality control which metal has. I really want to get all these cars for only like 70 or 80 rupees, but as you know, our good Indian government, with the taxes and all these things, we can't get anything for a good price or even a decent price. Okay, here is the casting. So right out of the box, I can say this casting looks nice, but they I don't know, the quality control again. You can see here, it's shit. You can see a lot of scratches right out of the box, but it has a lot of detailings to it, as you can see here, especially the engine detailing here, which is awesome. So there are no headlight details, but logo placement looks really nice for a change. And they have tail light details. I'm not sure. See, we want to keep the car like this if we are keeping it in display, not like this or this. Maybe some people might keep it like this, but not me. I normally keep it like this. I know this is supposed to be a pop-up headlights. At least they could have done a popped up headlight and painted it, but no, that would cost more, I guess. So metal doesn't want to do that. And the chassis is plastic, and the detailing is really good. To be very honest, it has the exhaust details as well. So only thing is, they could have just did this part, the top here, a bit better. So that would have made a justice to this casting. It might have looked really very good, but it has scratches and all. So I'm sure, out of at least 10, 7 or 8 is going to have scratches. That lucky 2 or 3 guys, drop in the comments. Are you guys actually lucky? So apart from that, okay, nothing much about this casting. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it rolls okay. The wheels wobble a little bit. Okay, especially the rear wheels, it wobbles a little bit. Sorry guys. Okay. Okay. It's overall it's a good casting. Okay, and if you guys are wondering, the spoiler is actually metal. It's not plastic. I personally love the interior details to it. It's really awesome. So if you guys are wondering, just go ahead and get this casting. So far, this is one of the nicest casting. Specifically when it comes to detailing, this is one of the best one I can say. We do have other castings which we are going to unbox, but so far, whatever I unboxed throughout this 2024, this one is really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.